He even became a ruler. But he chose not to build palaces for himself when he became a ruler. It became moral responsibility to distribute wealth, as Yusuf also in the Quran does. The wealth and status doesn't go to the head of Yusuf when the Pharaoh appoints him, when the king of Egypt appoints him. And he becomes an instrument, a conduit of service and justice. And so the Prophet was able to have family, children, and even political power. So, but he didn't fall into the temptation of placing them above the divine within him. And that's why he was not after building palaces, and he left pretty much nothing. And then he exercised this moral accountability and moral freedom. And he knew how to play the game without falling into it. So Islam actually gives us a new kind of repositioning of ourselves vis-a-vis this game of life. So because when you also, like, you're afraid of this game and you abstain from life, you're giving dunya so much importance. It's like, oh, like I shall not enter this race. But when you know it's truth, that it is an illusory kind of game, and then you play it, but you don't get lost. And if there's any temptation, you're able to actually see through it.